In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect Mailchimp to Pipedrive CRM. By the end, you'll have your Mailchimp account talking directly to Pipedrive, so your contact data can stay in sync and your marketing campaigns can run much more smoothly. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and that you have the right permissions to install apps from the marketplace. If you're not an admin, you might need someone with admin access to follow along with you or complete the installation step. Once you're inside Pipedrive, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see your usual options like deals, contacts, and so on. What you're looking for is the three-dot icon, often labeled as More. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Marketplace. This is where all the integrations and apps live that you can connect to Pipedrive. When the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar. Type Mailchimp into that search bar, then press Enter. You should see the Mailchimp integration appear in the results. Go ahead and click on the Mailchimp app to open its details page. Here, you can quickly review what the integration does and any notes about permissions or data access, which is always good to glance over before authorizing. On this page, you'll see a button that says Authorize. Click on Authorize to start connecting Pipedrive with your Mailchimp account. This will redirect you to a Mailchimp login or authorization screen. If you're not already logged into Mailchimp in your browser, go ahead and sign in with your Mailchimp credentials. Once Mailchimp recognizes your account, you'll see an option that says Allow and Install. This basically confirms that Pipedrive is allowed to access your Mailchimp data within the limits shown on the screen. Take a quick moment to read those permissions, and when you're ready, click Allow and Install. After that, you'll be redirected back to Pipedrive. Here, you might see a button or prompt that says Connect Mailchimp again. Don't worry, this is normal. Click Connect Mailchimp one more time to finalize the login and start the sync process. At this point, your Mailchimp account should be successfully linked to Pipedrive CRM, and you're ready to configure your syncing preferences and start using the integration in your daily workflow.